Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2016 Indian Scout. This 1130cc cruiser has just under 500 miles on it. It is basically in near mint condition. Got a couple of little scuffs on it that I'll show you as we go around, but is basically all stock and ready to roll. So let's take our walk. This 2016 barely broke in with just under 500 miles on it. Tires are still in excellent condition, got a lot of miles left on those. It does come with a solo seat. You can tell by the back tire there ain't a lot of miles on that, so this bike is ready to ride. So here's one thing I've noticed. There's a little scuff in the tank there, if you can kind of see it. It keeps disappearing on me. There it is right there. So, and the other thing I've noticed, it looks like this was probably bumped against the wall. A little scraping here, and a little bit here on the edge of the mirror. But like I said, that's it. I found those couple of little imperfections, so still consider this bike near mint. And there's your miles, 447. This 2016 Scout will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping Simply Street Bikes.